How to log in Zero Gravity account. So if you want to log into Zero Gravity account, then first of all you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Zero Gravity login, and after that here you will have login on the first search of Zero Gravity. Click on that, and here it will take you to the web page, right? So now you can simply enter your email address and then your password on the next blank. And after entering that, if you want to save your login information, then you can click on remember me. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover it. So if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up, which is here. But if you have an account and if you want to log in, then enter your email address and then your password and click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, you will be signed in or logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Zero Gravity account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.